Hey and welcome. One of the best way to make money from free application in the store is adding ads inside our application. Ads, there's many company allow us to add their ads in our application to make money. One of them is Google. Google have something named AdMove. You see it here. So AdMove allow us to add ads in our application and get money from that ads. So now let we start step by step about the process of adding ads in our application from Google. To do that, first of all, you have to go to website named AdSense. Okay, you say www slash google slash AdSense, www.google.com slash AdSense. Here you have to register with AdSense, you add your bank account and you add all the information about you, and like this is for payment. So you add your bank account, you add your address and all this stuff here. When you're done from this part, you have to go to something named website named AdMob and log in to this website. Then you connect this AdMob with this AdSense. He will already connect them. So just say sign on create, he will already connect them. I already have them connected. So now I did connect for both of them. As I told you, you do a specific process. You ask, do you want to connect? You say yes, then you connect, then you everything. When you're done, just create a new application. And let's say here, add new application and name it. I will name it Twitter demo. Then I say platform Android, and I go add banner. So there here what I want to show on the banner. I want to show text, image also. I want to refresh it every 30 seconds to get more money from showing new ads. Customize, I change. I don't like the background black. I always like the white one. And this color title, I change it to black. So I like seeing in this way. The ads name, I give it ads, Twitter, banner. One thing you have to know, this is only one tab, not only one tab of the ads you could show. You could show many. You could show this type, full screen, reward, native, whatever. I will just create this one. You say, do you want to link it with Firebase? It is better to link it with Firebase, but for now, I'm not interested in. Most part I'm interested in is the ad unit ID. So now how to show this ads in my application. So if you go to the website here in the Firebase, you say, and you click here on the documentation, you say Firebase developer documentation. You just go to the Android, get started. Where is it? Get started, and make sure. Hopefully this one I want to show it full screen. AdMob, go. If you see AdMob introduction, he talk about AdMob and how to create that web, the Android part, how to do the setup, install SDK, whatever this thing. He say first off, if you to use ads, you have to add this line in your code. You could add it, or you could go to your application. You could go to Tools, Firebase. You have to see something named Ads. You could just by clicking on AdMob here. I just want to see the full screen here. So I see something named AdMove here. I could click AdMove to the ads. He also show you the steps of adding AdMove. Say, hey, add AdMove to your app. Accept. He will add it to the Gradle. So this is the important part. He add this line for the Firebase ads. Now this is the process of adding the AdMove. You say how to add ad view and all these things, and how to activate it. This is the way, and also you could do the way from online. I prefer following online for this one because there is many type of ads I could show you. So I just will show you the online part. So to show ads, if you just go here, we already create the ID. If you say here, he say add this one. We already added by installation. He say this is the type, or this is the way of adding ads. You say monetize ads, whatever. This is for banner side, import banner one. So if you just click on the banner, he'll show you how to do the banner part. You see in the banner you have to add this, like this one, this code, add inside activity. And because I want to show it in a specific ticket, totally different, that's mean I need to create a new ticket. So let me go to the resource layout, and here I name it a new ticket. And this ticket I will name it ads ticket. So I name it ads ticket. Okay, ticket. Okay, and this is my ads ticket. Make sure this one will show up here, and I add that code here. That code, you know what I mean by that code. I mean, this is for the banner one. This is, see how the banner appear. It is better to do something like background, say Android background for my color. I say color white background. So do it in this way, adding some margin, Android margin, or padding the content of this layout. I say padding like 10 pt. Just make it in this way, so always show it in the center. For example, I say Android a graffiti layout, I the center, show it in the center. So I like it, seeing it in this way. Adding padding around it will be better. This is type of ads. So now I want to show this ticket. So you know how to do that. If I just go back to show any ticket, I have to go to the main activity and the code for the showing tickets. So going here down below to the show ticket. What is the part for the, see here is it for loading. You say, hey, if this one is add, if this one is loading, let me just add another else. I saying here, if this one is ads, please load for me ads ticket, okay, and show it for me. But what we have to add more in this ads ticket, if you go back here, he say just adding this line of code for your ads, access to the ad size, and set the ads ID, I think, and you all done. What this one mean? Ad size, load ads. You say, hey, to load ads, yeah, this is 3 steps. You don't know. You say add a view, you find your view, then you request, then you add load ad. Same thing here. He just set up this one. I don't need to set up this thing. He set the ID. You know I have already the ID here. This is my ads unit ID. Don't go to the application ID. Ads unit ID, and if you go here to your ticket, to the ads ticket, where is the ads ticket? This is ads ticket. If you see he have specific ID he added here, I just remove it and replace it with my ID. So this is my ID. From where I bring it, I bring this ID from this website. So this is my ID. So now I just skip it. It's better to connect it, but I just skip it and just I added this is Twitter demo. So yes, I just go back. I added the ads unit. Now let me go back and implement the code for this ads. So to implement the code is not too much. If you see here, he do it by code. I do it by just replace it by hand. And if you see here, you say, hey, to use this, you have to import this library, and you have to add these 3 lines of code. I just copy this code, go back here. It's not Java. Just I try to paste the code. You say, hey, this code it seems as you want to copy Java code. Do you want to convert the Java code to Kotlin? I say yes. So now he will convert this code from Java to Kotlin. You see here, first of all, he defined find the view R. He just looking for ads view. So now wait a second. I have ads view, and this ads view have this name inside my ads. So it's really easy to get it. Instead this way, I say my view dot ads view dot ads. I don't know how to look through it. So do you see how the previous one? Yeah, you have to do it directly. So I said ads view. Wow. He was able to get this one, ads view. So you have to be able, if you see here is it, how he was find the view by ID. You could do it in this way, my view dot find the view by ID. So he will look for find the view, and this one make it variable if you want. So he's just looking for that object in the screen for the ads view, and give it to you. Then he show it to you in the screen. So 3 steps. First of all, he try to access to ads view. You could do it in this way, or you could do it my view dot ads view. You have to be able to access to it, but I don't know why here he cannot do it with the UI. So it's better give it in this way. Say my view, because this is my view dot find the view by ID. Look in the screen for ID r dot id dot ads view. He will look in the screen for something named ads view, which is this one. He will bring it for us and convert it to add view. This is old method. Now say, hey, add request equal add request. If I say T, I control enter, he just import that library. I say, hey, I need to do add request. Then I say, hey, my add view dot load me with that request, and you're done. If you see what the problem here, you say add permission. Yes, here looking for the permission for access to the internet, but I think I already have internet permission in my application in the main phase. Looking back, I already have the internet permission because no. Why here I didn't have the internet permission? I have to have something for internet. I have to say use permission internet because I need to access to the internet. Why Firebase did not add it? So how he was able to access to online? Interesting. You have to ask me to add it. So yes, 3 steps: define ads, request it, show it. Now if you just run it, you have to before you run it, I need to show my ads. You see here I have ads something, name it ads. So let you see where is the process of loading images. So here you load. Where is the post for adding? Here he just load post. Where is the load? Where is the place for adding or loading things? So this is for add. Let me just look for something, name it add, so I will be able to find where are the place he will add the tweet. So here he add the loading one. Here he add the add one. So just see here he's loading the data, he add the add one. I could after it add the ads one. So he will understand this one represent ads. So when he go to loading, he show me the ads here. So now, yes, it sounded everything good. I just want to run my application. Like, here we go. After a while, he showed me this ads. That's great and amazing. I was able to see the ads. Do you know that there is many type of ads you could use? Like this one, we discussed about banner. You could use intensive, you could use native, any one of these. All these are same. So like you could do same process. Just follow the guideline and you do what you want. So here we done. Thank you for watching and see you next.